Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today topic is a new Ra chief Ravi Sinha. Ravi Sinha is taking charge of the new Ra chief IPS officer. Ravi Sinha has been appointed as the new research and analysis wing Ra chief to replace incumbent Samant Goel, a 1988 batch IPS officer from Chhattisgarh cadre. He is currently second in command of the agency and was heading the operational division for the last 7 years. Ravi Sinha is currently the special secretary at the cabinet secretariat and is known for his clear understanding of sensitive issues such as Jammu and Kashmir, the Northeast, and LW left-wing extremism. He is taking charge of the position at a crucial time when Sikh extremism and ethnic violence in Manipur are likely to be some of his immediate challenges. Samant Goel tenure will end on June 30, following which Mr Sinha will take on the mantle for 2 years. With the elevation of Mr Sinha to the coveted post, the government again underscored the importance of operational capability of intelligence agencies. In Ravi Sinha has been attributed with infusing modern technology in the field of intelligence collection. Government source said that this would enable him to integrate technological and human intelligence dimension to work together to address the challenges of our times. He is an alumnus of St. Stephen's College, Delhi. Ravi Sinha prefers to maintain a low profile in line with his job. He is widely respected figure across all the intelligence community for his professional competence. The appointments committee of the cabinet has approved Sinha appointed as secretary research and analysis wing Ra for a tenure of 2 years. The order said Sinha will succeed incumbent Samant Goel on completion of his tenure on June 30 and have a 2-year tenure. Samant Goel, a 1984 batch IPS officer from Punjab cadre, in June 2019, Goel succeeded Anil Dasmana as the chief of Ra. Last year, Goel's contract as Ra chief was extended for another year. Under Goel tenure, the country saw Balakot airstrike on Pakistan in 2019, peaceful Article 370 abrogation in Jammu and Kashmir, and action against designated Pakistan and Khalistani terrorists formed 21 September 1968 CGO complex, New Delhi, India. This is a Ra headquarters. Dharmo Rakshati Rakshita. Principal products when it is a product. Thank you for all. Please subscribe my channel.